Let's go to page 577 and start with number 1. Okay, so this is solving the right triangle. So when you're solving for the triangle, you want to get all your information together. So you got ABC and a small ABC. That way you can make sure that you don't miss anything. And so your triangle, so you can visualize. So it's your A, B, C. So small a facing big A, small b facing the big B, small c facing the big C. Okay, then let's get all the information in. So you got 36.2 for angle A, and obviously angle C is 90 degrees, so you can put in there. And C, the small c, equal to 68. Okay, so from here, again, the A and B are complementary angles, so you can use 90 minus that. So 90 minus 36.2, this will give you 53.8 degrees. Okay, so let's go and put this in here. So the key angle you want to get is the 36.2 for the angle A. Okay, and C equal to 68. Okay, so to look for A, okay, so you have to use what you're looking for and also what is giving. So this is what you're looking for and this is what's giving. So you need to find what's the relationship between these. So this is your sine function. Okay, so you're going to get sine A equal to A over C. Okay, so you can always write down your formula and then after that you substitute. So you're going to get sine of 36.2 degrees equal to A over 68. And cross multiply. So this multiply first. So A equal to 68. Times sine of 36.2 degrees. So get your calculator, you punch in the numbers, you get A equal to 40.2. Okay. So you get your calculator. Okay, equals 68 times sine of 36.2 degrees. And push equal. And you have to run the 6 up, so it becomes 40.2. Okay. So you put over here, so 40.2. Now to find B, you can use this. So you don't want to use B and A because this is already chopped off some numbers. So if you use a rounded number, your answer is going to be off even more. So you want to use what is giving. Okay, so this over this is your cosine function. So you're going to get cosine of A equal to B over C. Okay, substitute, so you got cosine of 36.2 degrees equal to B over 68. So cross multiply, so B equal to 68 cosine of 36.2 degrees. So get your calculator, so you can 68 times cosine of 36.2 degrees. Okay, equal, so B equal to 54.9. Okay, and you put over here, so 54.9. And then after that, so you can see clearly you got everything. If you don't do this, if you just write this all over the place, sometimes you're going to lose track of what you have and you may miss some of the answers. Okay, so it's important to do this, especially later on you're going to get a general triangle and it's going to be more complicated. So again, you want to do that, so keep things organized. Okay, number 3, again, let's go and get the ABC. Okay. Okay, so get your triangle. Okay, so you got A, B, C. So you got small a, small b, small c. And so the given angle B is 65.4 degrees. Small a is 2.35. Okay, so again, angle C is 90 degrees. So use 90 to minus that. So 90 minus the 65.4 will give you 24.6. So use 90 minus these. So again, these are 90 degrees. These are complementary angles. Okay, so now the A equal to 2.35 and B. So A is 24.6 degrees. Okay, so to find B, okay, so this is giving, this is what you're looking for. So the relationship between this is your tangent function. So do tangent of A equal to A over B. Okay, then you substitute the numbers in there. So you got tangent of 24.6 degrees is equal to 2.35 over b. So cross multiply. So you got b tangent of 24.6 degrees equal to 2.35. Then you divide. So b equal to 2.35 divided by tangent of 24.6 degrees. So use your calculator. Okay, so you're going to get 2.35 divided by tangent of 24.6 degrees. Okay, and equal. And so this is equal to 5.13. Okay. Okay, so let's put this up here. So b equal to 5.13. Now to find c, so to find c, you have to use what's given. So these two, that's your sine function. Okay, so you're going to get sine of a. So sine of a equal to a over c. Right? It's opposite of a hypotenuse. So substitute all your value in here. So you're going to get 2.35 over c. So cross multiply. So you got c times sine of 24.6 degrees. Make sure a little circle because that's important. Okay, equal to 2.35. Then you have to divide. So you get c equal to 2.35 over sine of 24.6 degrees. Okay, so get your calculator. So you got 2.35 divided by sine of 24.6 degrees. Okay, so c equal to 5.6. Now it's 4.5. So you have to run it up. So it'd be 5.65. Okay, and you put it right over here. So 5.65, and you box that. Okay, that way you get all six answers. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. So again, solving, so you get your ABCs. So that way you keep yourself organized so you don't miss anything. And plus, by doing this, you can see that every point is exactly the same steps. Okay, so by repeating it, it help you to remember the steps. Okay, number 5, you got b equal to 48.3 degrees, and c is 90 degrees, and a you don't know yet. So just okay, let's go and get the b. B is 74.7. Okay, so again, a and b are 90 degrees. So use 90 minus the 48.3, okay, it will give you 41.7. Okay, so you can get your calculator, just 90 minus that, you get that. Okay, and b equal to 74.7 and a equal to 41.7 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to find the a first. So this is giving, and this is what you're looking for. So you need this two. And so the relationship between this is tangent, right? Opposite of adjacent, that's your tangent. So you're going to get tangent of A equal to A over B. Okay, so substitute numbers in there. Okay, so cross multiply, so A equal to 74.7 times tangent of 41.7 degrees. Okay, so just cross multiply. Then get your calculator, enter that, so 74.7 times tangent of 41.7 degrees, okay, and closing parentheses, equal, so you're going to get 66.55, so you have to run it up to 0.6, okay, so it'd be 66.6, okay. Then to find the small c, so this is giving, this is what you're looking for. So the relationship between this would be your cosine. Okay, so you're going to get cosine of A equal to B over C. So you're going to get cosine of 41.7 degrees equal to 74.7 over C. So cross multiply. So you're going to get C cosine of 41.7 degrees equal to 74.7. Then you divide, so C equal to 74.7 over cosine of 41.7 degrees. Okay, so now get your calculator, work it out. So 74.7 divide cosine of 41.7 degrees. equal, so this would be 100. So put 100 over here, and that's everything. Okay. Okay, number 7. Okay, so you can get your A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay, so small a is 230, small c is 320. Okay, and draw your triangle. So be A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, so this one they didn't give you any angle, so just have to work with what you have. Okay, so this one you know, right? Angle C is always 90 degrees, okay, for the right triangle. Okay, so now let's go and get the angle A first, because that's your important angle, so you can use it to find other things. Okay, so to find these two are given, so the relationship between these two will be tangent. Okay, so you're going to do tangent of angle A equal to A over B. So tangent of A is equal to 230 over 320. So since this side is given, so you can look for angle A. So whenever you're looking for angle, you have to use second function. So you have to go second tangent of 230 divided by 320, closing parentheses. Right, you just type in whatever you see over here, equal. Okay, so this will give you 35.7 degrees. Okay. Oh wait, back up. Messed up. See, I put this in the wrong place. Okay, got to back up. Okay, so in this case, this is going to be sine. Okay, back up. So this is the sine. So again, that's why you have to draw things out. It helps you to visualize, so easy to catch mistakes. Okay, so sine A is A over C. Yeah. See, that's why, if you don't draw things out, it's very easy to make careless mistakes. Okay. Okay, so sine is A over C. Okay, so sine equal to that. There we go. Okay. So again, a lot of things can go wrong, so you have to be very careful. Okay, easy to make mistakes. Okay, so you're going to go second sine of 230 divided by 320, okay, equal, okay, 45.95. So when you run it up, it becomes 46 degrees. Okay, so 46.0. There we go. Okay, so 46.0 degrees. So again, these two will equal to 90, so use 90 minus 46 will give you 44.0 for the B. Okay. Okay, so again, be careful where you put information, and that's why when you keep things organized, it cut down a lot on the careless mistakes. Okay, so you cut down on the careless mistakes. Okay, so B. Now you're looking for B, so you can use this over this. So these two will be the cosine function. Okay, so cosine of A will equal to B over C. And so substitute, so you got cosine of 46.0 degrees equal to B over 320. Okay, so cross multiply, so B equal to 320 cosine of 46.0 degrees. So get your calculator. So 320 times, so 320 times by cosine of 46 degrees. Okay, equal. So B equal to 222. Okay, and so put over here. Okay, and that's your answer. Okay, so you can be careful, very easy to make mistakes. Again, that's why when you keep things organized, it will cut down on your mistakes. Okay, okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 9, again, to solve the triangle, get your information ready. So you got A, B, C, small a, small b, small c. Okay, and A equal to 0.123, B equal to 0.315. Okay, and here is your picture. So again, your A, B, C, small a, small b, small c. So angle C is 90 degrees. So we know that. Okay. And A equal to 0.123, B equal to 0.315. Okay, so this one, this two would be your tangent, right? So tangent of A equal to A over B. Okay, so tangent is opposite, tangent of A is opposite over adjacent. Okay, so you can always write down your relationship, write down your trig function, then you substitute. So tangent of A equal to 0.123 over 0.315. Now, since you're looking for angle, you have to use secant function. So you go secant tangent. So that's the inverse tangent of 0.123 divided by 0.315, closing parentheses, push equal. Okay, so it'd be 21.3 degrees. So A equal to 21.3 degrees. And you minus 90. Okay, and that will give you 68.7 degrees. Okay? Okay, so now this is 21.3 degrees. So now to find C, you can either use this or you can use this. Doesn't matter which one you use. I'm going to use cosine. I'm going to use this too. So I'm going to get cosine of A equal to B over C. Okay? And so substitute, so you got cosine of 21.3 degrees equal to 0.315 over C. So cross multiply. So C cosine of 21.3 degrees equal to 0.315. Then you divide. So C equal to 0.315 over cosine of 21.3 degrees. So get your calculator. So 0.315 divided by cosine of 21.3 degrees. Okay. And so C equal to 0.338. Okay. Again, so that's everything. Okay. Okay, now if you use a sine, so another way to get this, if you use a sine, then you can have sine of A equal to A over C. And you do the same thing. So you would use this instead of this. So either way, okay, you should work out the same answer. Okay, so let's go to the next one, number 11. So you can get your A, B, C, small a, small b, small c, and get your triangle. Again, triangle is help you to visualize. Okay, so when you have something to visualize, it helps you to make your brain able to click, so able to think clearly. Okay. Okay, so number 11, the angle B is 58 degrees and 10 minutes, and obviously angle A is 90 degrees. Okay, and the small c is 420. Okay. Okay, for those, if you cannot do it manually in your head, okay, so what you do is you can use your calculator. So you can, these two are 90 degrees, so you just go 90 degrees minus 58 degrees and 10 minutes. And you push equal. And so now, this gives you a decimal, right? So you have to convert. So again, to convert that, you can go and use your calculator. Okay, and so this will give you 31 degrees and 50 minutes. Okay? Or another way to do this is if you can do it manually. So what you do is 90 degrees minus 58 degrees and 10 minutes. Okay? So the way to do it is just kind of borrow. So you borrow 1 degree from here. So if you borrow 1 degree, this becomes 89 degrees, and the 1 degree you borrow is 60 minutes. Okay, just like 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so you borrow 1 degree from here and make it into 60 minutes. And so now you can subtract. So 60 minutes minus 10 minutes give you 50 minutes. Okay, 9 minus 8 give you 1. 8 minus 5 give you 3. That's how I get 31 degrees 50 minutes. Okay, so you can do that manually also by just borrow 1 degree and make it into 60 minutes. Okay, or you can just use calculator, but either way you need to know how to do that. Okay, so the C equal to 420 and A equal to 31 degrees and 50 minutes. Okay, so to find A, so this 2 is sine function. Okay, so sine of A equal to A over C. Okay, so substitute. So sine of 31 degrees 50 minutes equal to A over 420. Okay, so cross multiply. So A equal to 420 times sine of 31 degrees and 50 minutes. Okay, so get your calculator. Okay, so you go 420 times sine of 31 degrees and 50 minutes. Okay, push equal. So A equal to 221.5. So you have to run it up, so it becomes 222. Okay, so small a is going to equal to 222. Okay, now let's go and so now you have to look for B, right? Again, by looking at this, you can see what you're missing. So to find B, use this, and this is giving. So this is your cosine function. So you have to use cosine of A equal to B over C, right? Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So you're going to get cosine of 31 degrees, 50 minutes equal to B over 420. So cross multiply. So B equal to 420 cosine of 31 degrees and 50 minutes. So get your calculator. So you got 420 times cosine of 31 degrees and 50 minutes. Push equal. So B equal to 356.8. So you have to run it off to 357. Okay? And so you put it right over here. So 357. And so this is everything you need. Okay? And that's it for number 11. Okay, let's go to the next one. So you can get your A, B, C ready. Get your triangle. So that's your A, B, C, small a, small b, small c. Okay, so angle A is 15 degrees and 30 minutes. Okay, and small a is 4.50. Okay, so over here again, angle C equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so let's go and get this. So 90 minus 15 equal to, so this would be 74 degrees and 30 minutes. Okay, okay, so angle A equal 15 degrees and 30 minutes, and small a equal to 4.50. Okay, so I'm looking for B first. So the relationship between this is your tangent. So I'm going to get tangent of A equal to A over B. So substitute. So tangent of 15 degrees and 30 minutes equal to 4.50 divided by B. Okay, so cross multiply. So B tangent of 15 degrees 30 minutes equal to 4.50. Then you divide. So B equal to 4.50 divided by tangent of 15 degrees and 30 minutes. So B equal to, get your calculator. So 4.5 divided by tangent of 15 degrees and 30 minutes. Okay, so it'll be 16.2. Okay, so B equal to 16.2. And to find C, so this would be sine function. So sine of A equal to A over C. So sine of 15 degrees and 30 minutes equal to 4.50 over C. So cross multiply. So C sine of 15 degrees 30 minutes equal to 4.50. Divide. So you got C equal to 4.50 divided by sine of 15 degrees and 30 minutes. Get your calculator. So 4.5 divided by sine 15 degrees and 30 minutes equal, so C equal to 16.8. Okay, so 16.8 and box that, and that's it. Okay, number 15. Okay, so you can get your A, B, C. Okay, again, C is 90 degrees. So it's your A, B, C. Okay, so what is given? So A is 30 degrees and 50 minutes, and B equal to 53.5. Okay, so first let's get this. So this would be 59 degrees and 10 minutes. Okay, so you can just subtract. Okay, and then from here, this is 30 degrees and 50 minutes. Okay, so I'm looking for A. So A and this is your tangent. So it'll be tangent A equal to A over B. So tangent of 30 degrees and 50 minutes equal to A over 53.3. Okay, so cross multiply. So do this first. So A equal to 53.3. Tangent of 30 degrees and 50 minutes. So A equal to, get a calculator. So 53.3 times tangent of 30 degrees and 50 minutes equal, so A equal to 31.8. Okay, so 31.8. Okay, and then to find C, oh, in the wrong place, A equal to 31.8. Okay, so be careful. Okay, to find C, so this two is a sine function, a cosine function. So cosine of A equal to B over C. So cosine of 30 degrees and 50 minutes equal to 53.5 over C. So cross multiply. Okay, so C cosine of 30 degrees, 50 minutes equal to 53.5. You have to divide, so C equal to 53.5 over cosine of 30 degrees and 50 minutes. So C equal to 53.5 divided by cosine 30 degrees and 50 minutes. Okay, so C equal to 62.3. So 62.3. Now sometimes your answer may be off by just a slightly, so that's okay. So don't worry about it. If the answer is, is just off very slightly. Okay? Because sometimes the problem can be, in the book answer they may be using the table instead of the calculator.